Alacrity, the power of cheerful readiness in English. Imagine you're at a party and someone accidentally knocks over a glass of water. Before anyone else can react, your friend jumps up, grabs a cloth, and cleans up the spill in seconds. That's alacrity in action. Today, we're exploring this dynamic word that can elevate your English vocabulary to new heights. Word type alacrity is a noun. It's pronounced like right, T, with the stress on the second syllable. Meaning, alacrity refers to a cheerful readiness, promptness, or willingness to do something. It implies not just speed, but also enthusiasm and eagerness in responding or taking action. When someone displays alacrity, they're quick to act and happy about it. Word history: the word alacrity has its roots in Latin. It comes from the Latin word alacritas, meaning liveliness or briskness. This, in turn, is derived from alacer, which means lively or cheerful. The word entered the English language in the 15th century and has been used to describe enthusiastic speediness ever since. Antonyms: the opposite of alacrity would be reluctance, hesitation, or sluggishness. When someone lacks alacrity, they might be described as lethargic, apathetic, or indifferent. Synonyms: some words with similar meanings to alacrity include eagerness, enthusiasm, zeal, promptness, and readiness. While these words are close in meaning, alacrity uniquely combines the ideas of speed and cheerfulness. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use alacrity in various contexts. The new interns tackled their assignments with alacrity, impressing their supervisors with their enthusiasm and efficiency. Despite the early hour, Sarah responded to the emergency call with alacrity, demonstrating her commitment to her patients. The children showed great alacrity in cleaning up their toys when promised a trip to the park afterward. To everyone's surprise, the usually reserved professor accepted the challenge with alacrity, diving into the debate with gusto. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing alacrity with speed alone. Remember, alacrity implies both quickness and cheerfulness. It would be incorrect to say the prisoner walked to his cell with alacrity. While the action might be quick, it lacks the element of eagerness or willingness. Another error is using alacrity to describe a prolonged state rather than a response. For example, he worked on the project with alacrity for months is incorrect. Alacrity typically describes an immediate response or short-term action, not sustained effort. Mastering the use of alacrity can significantly enhance your vocabulary and help you express ideas more precisely. Whether you're describing a helpful colleague, an eager student, or your own enthusiasm for a task, alacrity adds a nuanced and sophisticated touch to your language. Incorporate this word into your active vocabulary and watch your ability to articulate willingness and promptness improve dramatically.